high heels lovers, and welcome back to my channel. If you are really new here, hi, welcome. I'm happy to have you. I do post every week, and the mission of my channel is to encourage women to look more feminine and to own their feminine energy and power. I'm promoting playful, yes, sophisticated, sexy, yet elegant style. The focus of my channel are the high heels, which I consider a tool of our femininity, a tool of our empowerment. In today's video, I will focus on the professional look. How to look like a boss. Being a pretty girl in the corporate environment was not always easy for me. I know that it could be challenging for many girls out there. Yeah, probably everyone thinks that beauty always helps, but no, it's not like that. It comes with a lot of prejudice in the society and a lot of underestimation. But let's forget about that now and talk about style. The goal of today's video is to help you just make the great style attainable and to help you look the very best version of yourself even at work. Being a successful at work, being a working mom, as many of us are, and still trying to look attractive could be stressful. I want to make your style simple and easier. I know that you're juggling 1,000 of things. But I would also like to add a healthy dose of spice, a touch of sexiness and color. I will pay attention to the accent, the details that will make people remembering you. I want your style to be simple and elegant, but recognizable and not boring, of course. I'm talking about establishing a personal branding and leaving a lasting good impression. Today, I will show you ways to look like a super elegant boss. What do I mean by that? I meant to dress for success, dress professionally, dress for the job you want. I know that that's so vitally important, especially when you are in a corporate environment, a company environment, or maybe some more creative environment. Or maybe not. Maybe you just work from home, as more of us do nowadays, and just occasionally go in the office and meet clients. I know that the offices are more casual now. Casual is becoming more of a norm, but I still think it's important how you look, especially if you're climbing the ladder, you do have ambitions, you do have your career goals. It does matter, it matters really much. I will show you some great outfits for different pieces of clothes in your wardrobe, and will give you some valuable tips and tricks. Yeah, some of those advices are really basic, but they worth being reminded from time to time. So guys, let's start with my first outfit and the advices I have for you. I will start with one really professional outfit. The skirt hemline is very important in the corporate environment, and they got really tricky for us ladies because I feel that a lot of the skirts and the dresses that are available today are way shorter than they should be. They seem all mini or above the knee. Honestly, it's really difficult to find a professional length skirts meaning in the knee zone or just above the knee. If you are working in a strict corporate environment, make sure the length of your skirt is appropriate and you will be good. This first option I'm showing works perfectly for this purpose. I love pencil skirts, they are super feminine. The shirt with the pearls is a nice accent. No need to tell you how classy the pearls are and the difference they make to the look. However, the real accent here is the belt. I love combining high waist skirts with belts. The heels, of course, and the seamed black tights is just a great addition. See, You could look strong and look feminine even at work. Now, let me show you another variation of this look, this time with other belt and different pair of pumps and tights. The second option is with a shorter skirt. However, if the nature of your job doesn't allow this short skirt, you should go with the longer skirt as previously shown. The secret here is the blazer. Blazers are the perfect balance between casual and elegant. Whether you are attending a business meeting or going to a romantic candlelit dinner, pick the perfect blazer for a stylish, elegant look. The blazer could be always taken off, of course. The red plexi heels are a nice touch here. You will never look boring or too formal in such combination. I'm not really a fan of the trousers, but I do have a few cool pairs. Those type of trousers are considered casual chic. This is basically my everyday style, casual but still elegant. Again, you can dress yourself in this way if you're working in some marketing, PR, or other creative environment. If this is too bold or, let's say, unusual for the place you work, you can change these trousers with plain black trousers. Or a suit. Suit is always a great idea. The red heels make this look a winner. You will never go wrong with red heels. They're classy, elegant, feminine, and eye-catchy. Yes, cheerful bright colors are as appropriate as somber colors. It's not the color of a garment that could be inappropriate. I do like pastel colors and red, and the both are considered classy, my ladies. What you should avoid is too colorful clothes or clothes with cartoon characters, for example. This doesn't look serious and it's not for work. The first option is in red and the second option will be, in more color, but still classy and elegant. Wear some of those outfits at work and you will be the favorite boss lady ever. One really important note here: the office is not a place to show a cleavage, except your toe cleavage, right? At date night, go for it. After work, of course. Any other place, yes, but no in the office. Pointed toe pumps are just classic. Also very elegant, very in at the moment, also very powerful. I think that should be go-to shoe. If you can't wear heels for whatever reason, go with pointed toe flats. But avoid high heel sandals. They are not the best option for the office, my ladies. Add a piece of jewelry or accessories. You don't have to be totally plain and look very conservative. Just pick one piece that not only adds flair to your outfit and style, but also has impact. It should be big enough and bold enough to have impact, but not crazy big. You want it still to be minimal. Go with pearls, go with a brooch, scarves, glasses maybe, whatever you prefer, but make sure it suits you and make sure people will remember and always connect that accessory to you. The same applies to wearing makeup. Wear some makeup. Like, own your femininity. You still can be taken seriously, you still can be respected, and the people will still look up at you. you'll still be inspirational and aspirational. You're a woman at the end of the day. Of course, I'm not talking to put a tons of makeup or wear fake nails or eyelashes like we will do for a club, but still wear some makeup, be a woman, own it. Just elevate and enhance a little bit, that's all you need. And yes, smile and be kind. Don't be grumpy, don't be arrogant. Smiling projects that you're a happy person and you're ready to handle anything thrown your way that day. Be confident but not arrogant. Be kind but not soft. Smile, be happy. It just projects enthusiasm, excitement for the job, willingness, and readiness to deal with everything. That was all for today. I hope it was inspiring, informative, and pleasant as usual. Just to sum up, within the first 10 seconds of meeting somebody, before you have even said a single word, studies show that people will decide how successful, how professional, how intelligent, and smart you are. That's based on how you look like and what you represent. So in that professional setting, if you do want to move up, you do want to command authority, respect, and attention, you need to wear professional, polished, stylish, and sophisticated clothing. I'm open to hear your thoughts about this video. You could make your own combinations, you could add your favorite accessories to embrace your individuality, be classy and be simple when it comes to professional look, but as I said, add your personal touch, your personal accents, and don't forget to be a woman at the end of the day. Till the next time, your favorite co-worker and the employee of the month, Miss Killer Heels or Alana. Bye guys, see you.